Hi and welcome to this Comp Skill How To. Today I want to talk very quickly about how you view the screen. So sometimes we get a lot of data on our screens and we have to scroll a lot up or down or across and we lose our headings and we get really frustrated. So one of the things we can do is freeze part of the screen so it always stays in place. Usually headings. So if you head to the View tab and you will see this area here. I'm just going to flick over to my master sheet and just have a quick look at our freeze panes options. So we've got our freeze panes and this is our custom, I suppose, option, but we'll go down to freeze top row and I just click that and now we've got our top row frozen. So we've only got our headings frozen, okay? Let's go back and unfreeze that. You'll notice that little line hopefully has disappeared. So we can freeze the first column. So now we just have the dates. It's not really a good example, but if I just copy all this over and you can see now that, let's just click off that, as we scroll across, we still have that column of data. So we'll go back and we will unfreeze that. Now, if we want to have our top row and our column frozen, what we do is that's kind of a custom freeze, I suppose. So what we do is we select the cell in the area, so next to the column and under the row that we want frozen. So in this case, I want it frozen from column B. So I'm just going to go ahead and say freeze panes. And you should notice a very fine dark line across the top and down the column. So again, we can move over. We keep our headings at the top and our column headings. And if I was to carry this data down, same thing. I could scroll up and across. Okay. So that's a really useful thing to know about freezing panes and how we view our data. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to CompSkill for more how-tos. Look forward to seeing you next time.